What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. You may recognize this guy here, the H50 plastic welding gun. It's more of a hot melt stapler, that's what I like to call it. And I used this and made a video about a year ago repairing the fender on my son's ATV. And it's been holding up strong since, no issues. It actually did a great job at repairing it. So I've had a lot of comments. Can you show it a little bit closer, do another project, closer view? That's what we're going to do here. I was dealing with the conditions up there at my cabin with all the mosquitoes trying to feast on me, and wasn't the most ideal place to do this video. So this time we've got another ATV fender here. The plastics is the front end of my 2004 Suzuki King Quad. You can see right here it's got a pretty decent sized crack. It's been there since I bought it. It looks like it's starting to extend a bit though. So I figured, you know what, we'll take it off, bring it back to my house here, and we'll repair it on the bench here. That way we can get a little bit better view. I've got two cameras going. The one on my head, don't really do videos with the hat cam on too often in the shop here, but I figured this will help us see it a bit better. And I've also got another camera above to try to get a downward view so we can get a better view at it. We're not really going to review this thing, we're just going to go ahead and repair. We'll be using the same fasteners. We'll show you on this camera right here. The same fasteners as we used last time to repair my son's fender. They work great. So I've already cleaned it up. We've got the H50 here plugged in, ready to go. We're just going to get right to it, guys. So this repair, let's see, well, first of all, I'm able to get this somewhat lined up pretty good. So that's kind of what I want to do, is just get this, there we go, lined up as best as can be, because we're going to do the repair from underneath. So we're going to flip it, and I don't have the best space here to do it, but we're going to do my best here to kind of keep it all in view for you guys. All right, so here we go. I can feel it underneath, and that's what I'm going to do to get it all lined up as I go here. And I'm going to take your guys' comments and use some of the techniques that you were telling me. Now, some guys were saying to turn it this way, and would it be a better repair if it was sideways like that? No, the instructions, I have them right here. Even though it's just a little pamphlet here, you can see we're looking at the fastener and they go this way. So that's the way we'll be doing them, and that's the way it's probably strongest. Okay, so I'm gonna get set up here, guys, and we'll get right to it. We're just gonna get right to it here, and we'll see how it works here on the King Quad. So one of the things I was told was to give it a little twist, and that's what I just did. Putting it in, and then just a little twist. And then guys were telling me, hit it with water, cool it down quicker. So that's what we're going to do for this repair. And you can see how quick that thing melted into the plastic there. I'll show you how quick these get red. You can see it there, it's already, there we go, it's glowing already. See that? So it doesn't take long for this to heat up. My technique, what I like to do is I like to place it where I'm going to melt it in, and then pull the trigger. So I'm kind of just starting out on the flats here. Get it to where I want it. Quick twist. Spray it. And then pull it out. And that technique seems to work pretty good. I like that. Not bad at all. So I'm just kind of feeling as I go here on the underside. Just making sure that we're lined up as good as possible. There we go. And since we had a little bit of water on there already, it cooled down pretty quick. So this is what I bought this thing for, was to use it for this purpose, mostly for ATV, because I had already had this one that had a crack in it and my son's, so I just didn't have the opportunity to do this one until now. I do like that squirt technique with the water bottle, works well. That's something I didn't know when I was doing it the last time. All right, let's keep going here. So far it feels pretty good. I guess we'll see once we flip it around. And I understand why that, it was this one guy who told me about the little twists there. And it makes sense, you know, melt it in, a little twist just to lock it into place. Is a good tip. Made sense. And I think it's working pretty good. All right. This next one in here. Okay, maybe one more here, one or two more down here, and that'll be it. See, now that one looks like it can go down a bit further, so not a big deal. We can just heat it up a little bit more, sink it down a bit more, and we're good. Not bad. Okay, now this crack, probably put 1, 2 more probably in there, and we'll be good. I think we're good on this side now. So I'm going to extend it. I gotta go backwards with this one. Extend it a little bit past the crack maybe. Alright, that should be it for that. Okay guys, what I'm going to do is we're just going to snip all of these and we'll flip it around and we'll show you what the final outcome is there. So I'll get these all snipped up like I said, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like. All right, guys, we use the side cutters that were included in the kit to cut off the little legs off of the fasteners there, and that's it for this repair. It is done. Let's check it out. There we go, guys. Check it out. This is where it was really bad, was right in here. I don't think we're gonna have any problems with this repair. I think it's gonna hold up just fine. This little guy does a pretty good job, the H50 here. You guys want to grab one of these for yourself, I do have a link down below in the description. Definitely a great tool here for repairing plastic. Anyways, guys, we're gonna leave it at that for right now. You like this video, make sure you give a big thumbs up, and if you're new to the channel, really appreciate, hit that subscribe button before you head out, and remember, don't be a stranger. See you on the next one.